Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making Instagram use less data. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't have unlimited data on your phone, it's a good idea to make Instagram use less data. Here is how to do it. Launch Instagram. Tap your profile icon from the bottom right menu. Tap the three lines icon from the top right of your profile page, and then select Settings. In Settings, select Mobile Data Use. Enable the checkbox for Use Less Data. Instagram will now use less data when you are using it on a mobile network. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.